Hello my people, welcome to Winners Tech once again. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this interesting video. Please, this is an online hustle that I want to take people through as to how to make money. Okay, so there is this particular site that has been trending online that I want people to know and equally tap into that and harvest a lot of dollars. Okay, so people are making a lot of money from this, and it's an online and interesting and user friendly site that you can make money by answering survey questions. Okay, so the name of the website is quickpagesurvey.com. So this is this. When you type quickpagesurvey.com in your address bar, you press your enter button or tap on it to search it online. Okay, so when you search online, it will bring you to this particular interface. I think the first one is get paid for taking surveys, earn money online with get paid, make money, earn money, then online advertising platform. So we are going to search the first one. Okay, so you can see that the template is a user-friendly site. So we open this one. Okay, so you can see earn from your answers, get up to 2.5 per answer. Okay, so fun and free to join, fast and easy. So what are you waiting for? You simply sign up, put your email, put your password, and repeat the password here. So I'm going to put all that. Okay, so I'm putting my password here. Alright, so I've repeated the password. I'm going to get access to the template. Okay, so as I seen, it looks like this email has already been taken. So what it means is that I've registered before. I just want to know that I have registered the site. So I'm simply coming to login. Okay, so it's bringing me to the login form for me to get logged in. So I'll simply put my this in here, email and the password. Boom. Right, so it's taking me the additional information required. So it means I didn't complete my addition. I'm a male, of course. Alright, so I'm going to update my site.